cut his enemy's head off, he did an Igbo ritual. And what the Igbo ritual consisted of was the Odogo ritual. And that ritual was, after he made his kill, he had to honor himself by putting the feather in the red cap, putting a red sash around his waistline to symbolize the kill that he made. So with that being said, what I'm trying to explain to you, you cannot get spirituality without resistance. You cannot get revolution without spirituality. All our great combatants and ancestors were all spiritual people. Some say that Nat Turner was a Hebrew. He might have been a Hebrew. He probably was a Hebrew. He indulged in power. But also, let's remember, our ancestors still stuck to their indigenous ritual and their indigenous still stuck to his indigenous ways. So with that being said, man, power to the people, power to Nat Turner, power to the resistance, power to all our soldiers, Bingo, Ann Woods, Gabriel Foster, and 84 rebellions took place here in Virginia, man. It's the land of the rebellion. And I'm gonna sign off right here, man.